South African Airways (SAA) may take unprecedented legal action against the Zimbabwean government over unpaid funds amounting to over 50 million US dollars, around 1 billion rand. The ongoing financial struggle stems from Zimbabwe's instability to release foreign currency, leaving the funds trapped in the country despite years of negotiations. Sadamira mashoko tinoti nyika yeZimbabwe panapa tinoona kuti ava kuno South Africa voti vada kutora malegal actions. Vakomana kuSouth Africa voti vakuda kujamika pamusoro pe1 billion rand. Aiwa chikwereti chenyika yeZimbabwe. Sadamira mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapa nobva subscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tina vanhu vamwe vamuchinzi. The issue came under the spotlight during a recent parliamentary standing committee on public accounts hearing where SAA officials confirmed the airline's ongoing struggle to repatriate funds from Zimbabwe, largely from ticket sales. Scuba chairperson Songezo Zivi raised the prospect of attacking Zimbabwean government assets in South Africa as a potential recourse to recover the money. Attacking assets to satisfy a debt involves seizing and selling property belonging to a debtor. In this case, Zimbabwe's government located within the creditor's jurisdiction. South African law permits such actions, but they must be sanctioned by a court of law, meaning that South African airline would need to go through legal proceedings to justify the move. Ndomashwa tukona panamba kumana kuti aiwa tinotaura kuti tonosaiza property inooniwa neZimbabwe kana nevanhu vemuZimbabwe iri kuSouth Africa yoonekwa kuti aiwa vorecover mari yavo yavari kuona kuti ye1 million rand iri kuoiwa nenyika yeZimbabwe. Yavari kuona kuti vakanga vakawirirana, but according kune terms avakawirirana aiwa achizopfuura nguva vasina kupeya back. Tudze mafungiro emuri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda kumain section medu musaona subscribe like turn on the bell icon.